All right, our Bill over here. It's a Sunday. He wants to go look at this car so it could be his project car, so he could leave this one stock. But he's over there using the bathroom. He likes using the bathroom. Yep, Filipino house. Wifey does not like shoes in the house. All right, loaded up a few tools. We're ready to go check out this car he's talking about. All right, we're on our way. We just left the pad. Thank you for the coffee. I'm not really a coffee drinker. I just like the iced green tea latte from Starbucks. The wifey got me hooked on it, but now she don't even drink Starbucks. Look at this guy. He knows his way around the South Bay area. What you watching here?
Adam LZ.
Man. This guy's a multitasker. Driving safely and watching YouTube.
Hold on, let me text real quick.
This is weird being a passenger. Being a passenger and watching our own channel on YouTube in the car.
So make sure you have a text that fits.
You want, man, does this guy know what he's talking about or what?
That's the gap it from touching the exhaust.
That's the gap it touching the... Nah, I'm playing. Look at this guy being lazy. Didn't want to take the whole panel off. Just take the whole panel off. All right, we're here. We're just gonna look at this car real quick. See what's up. All right, we out here. East Lake Parkway area. Just got done looking at that car. So I gotta go pick up some lumpia that they ordered from somebody. All right, so we got the lumpia. We have about 2 or 3 more cars to look at. That first one was kind of suspect because by looking at it, it looked like the fan was rigged up to run all the time, and looking carefully at the timing belt covers, they were melted, and that's how you know the car overheated at one point in time pretty bad. So it doesn't look like we might be getting that one. Since our Bell was nice enough to take me to go get the lumpia, I guess I gotta give him some lumpia too.
Ooh,
Shrimp lumpia. That's what's up. Well, I guess he says he needs brakes. Our Bell goes through brakes like some people go through underwear. Same underwear for 20 years. Not bad. Bad analogy then. Fucking need a flashlight. I love it when you have access to see the pads and you don't have to remove the wheel. Just need a better light. Looks like his brakes are good. We just did this in the beginning of quarantine, so right here you can kind of see it. My guess is about 55 to 65%. And then in the back, he's about, I want to say 30-35%. So don't be fooled. When you look out here, you see how it looks like it's worn out, but it's not. It's just the end of the edges of the brake pads is kind of tapered. That's just how they do it by design on these. So he's good on brakes. We got an intruder in the shop. What are you doing snooping around? This guy through my stuff. Take that seatbelt, redo the video. Yeah, I moved the cart over here, so I had to back out the Integra or back it up a little bit more to have that basketball hoop over there. What'd you say you made 1 out of what?
I made 3 out of 10.
Oh, damn. I see the problem. You're left-handed and you're drooling while you're shooting. All right, same vehicle that I did the seatbelt replacement for the driver's side on the CRZ 2012. Typical issue with Honda bumpers. If you bottom out, you could yank it out. So what we're gonna try to do is find a way to re-secure this without having to replace the bumper. This side I was able to pop back in. So this should be good. It pretty much just yanked it out slightly. So we're good on this side. On this side's a little bit more tricky since it got yanked out from the fender liner. So we're probably gonna have to make another spot for a clip so we could screw this on right here. Maybe about right there. Yeah, that's what we'll do. So I'll try something like this. See if we could get this bumper to hold up. First we'll start a little pilot hole on the bumper with a self-tapping screw. Struggling to get the hole to go. We got it to go, you know? Here we go, bro. All right, after fighting with it for a little bit, finally got it started. Now we're attaching the bumper cover to the fender liner. And that's how you'd salvage your bumper if you really didn't want to get a brand new bumper and fender liner. Wifey, driving the wifey to work right now. She got called in.
Yeah, the ship that blew up in Carmine.
It's a Sunday, and that thing, I guess there's a ship that blew up. You can see it from here. That's crazy. That's all from that ship that blew up.